Welcome to Cabo San Lucas, where the desert meets the sea and every day feels like a getaway. If you're planning your first trip to Cabo, stay tuned because we'll cover the must-see spots, hidden gems, and the best times to visit so you can avoid the crowds. Start with the iconic El Arco at Land's End, Cabo's natural rock arch that rises dramatically from the sea. A glass-bottom boat ride here lets you see colorful fish and maybe even sea lions basking in the sun. For beach lovers, Medano Beach is the place to swim, paddleboard, or grab a margarita at one of the lively beachfront bars. If you prefer something quieter, head to Chileno Bay or Santa Maria Beach, both perfect for snorkeling. Foodies, you'll love Cabo's dining scene. Try fresh ceviche, Baja-style fish tacos, and don't miss a sunset dinner overlooking the marina. Pro tip, make reservations for rooftop spots early, especially during high season. Adventure seekers can book a whale-watching tour between December and April, go off-roading through the desert, or zipline high above the canyons. For a slower pace, explore the charming art town of San José del Cabo, just 30 minutes away. Watch till the end because here's a valuable tip. The best months to visit Cabo are May and June or October and November. You'll skip the spring break rush and hurricane season while enjoying perfect weather. So, are you ready to experience Cabo San Lucas? Let me know in the comments what adventure excites you most. The beaches, the food, or the nightlife. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Before You Explore, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure.